take a look at it. Unique, especially in classics. 1959 Buick LeSabre hardtop sedan. Now, I know you're going to see that badging right there in the front. It says Invicta. Go by the data tag, and the VIN decodes as a LeSabre. So along the line, somebody dressed it up with some Invicta badging. FYI, let's just get that out there. Take a look at the front grille. Bright work, chrome, headlight surrounds. Beautiful styling, of course, 59 and 60. 2-year only body style in these cars. Just don't see a lot of them out there yet. This particular car, originally Wedgwood blue, J paint code, so still appearing as though it would have when it rolled off the Buick showroom back in 1959. Also 412 trim interior code, which would be blue. And that's going to look very similar to the way it would have looked back in 1959 underneath the hood. Numbers matching. 364 V8. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, check them out. They can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. You can see up and down the length of this car how straight those body panels are. Riding on the wide white walls. Radials. Couple little spots where you can see some blemishes. Right there. Another little spot, just kind of right down there, but nothing that detracts too much from this car. Great one for any of your local roll-ins, cruise-in, shows. Here's that interior I'm talking about. So you have power steering, power brakes, and AC. AC components all appear to be underneath there. I've not had it blowing cold. We'll take a look underneath the hood here in a second. Let's see for yourself. And also remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Look at the bright work in chrome back here, rear bumper. The wings. Look at that bright work, and then look at all the way down that wing. It's incredible styling. 364 underneath the hood is paired up with an automatic transmission, by the way. And again, check out all the still pictures. Take a look at the underside of the car, engine bay, trunk, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And look at that bright work and how it lines up. Kind of on the belt line, if you will, of this car. Those panels nice and straight. Little touch-up spot down here. A little bit of touch-up paint, if you can kind of see that. Doesn't really show up real well because it's quite small. One you don't have to be afraid to get in and drive. Have some fun, and then look at that flat top, if you will. Scenic rear window. Let's take a peek at the interior. Alright, door panels, as you can see, fine shape. I do have pictures with the floor mats out too, so you can see the carpeting and the still pictures. And your vinyl cloth blend. Bench seat. Appears to be pretty much free of rips, tears, holes. Same as in the back. Headliner also intact. Fine shape there. Alright, let's go ahead and fire this up. Check out some things in the interior. Alright, make sure we're in park. Foot pedal start does work on this one. Turn the key to on. Push the foot pedal. Starts right up. You're also going to see the oil pressure gauge came up. I also noticed battery gauge, fuel level. Fuel gauge is working. And assuming the temperature gauge is going to come up with the temperature of the engine, of course. Another thing I did notice is the radio does work in this one. We're going to click it on. It's going to take just a second to warm up. Wipers also work. 2 speeds. Those are fine. All right, let's see if this radio's warmed up. Yeah, I'm gonna give it a little bit, yeah. There we go.
.egg or call 50.
So AM radio, working condition, as well as the wipers, and appears all the gauges. Fan does blow for the heater and defrost, and it appears the hoses and heater core and everything are hooked up there. But again, the AC down here, it will blow, just to not have it blowing cold, and it appears that all the components are underneath the hood. We're going to check that out in just a second. Nicely that fits. Closes nice and tight. Slip around to the back. It's nothing crazy as far as cam or exhaust or anything like that. Remember, numbers matching, Wildcat engine. Alright, I'm going to slip up to the front of this, pause it a second. Let's pop the hood, check out that engine bay, and we'll wrap up this video.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we go. Again, power steering, power brakes, AC, smooth running V8. Listen to that. Watched these videos before, probably heard me say it lots of times. It's what you don't hear underneath the engine. That is good. Nothing unexpected under this one. And again, you can see the components, your hoses, AC components all appear to be there and intact. Like I said earlier, fun one, get in, take in your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows, have a little fun. Beautiful old 59 Buick. LeSabre 4-door hardtop, flat top. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.